In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your trunk lid skirting on a Chevy Malibu, located in the trunk. Once you lift your trunk up, we're going to remove that plastic covering first. Just grab it firmly and pull back and forth. It's got two little tabs in there, and just set it aside. Next, we're going to take off our plastic push pins. There are 9 plastic push pins, so I could start in the center, then move to the right, and it's the same on the left. So with a trim tool, get underneath there, it's like a little fork design, pull that plastic tab up. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers too if you need them. There's one. Just work your way right around. And now we have 4 more to the left, so just continue on over here. Now we have the last one here. I found the most success, believe it or not, with my needle nose pliers, and I think it's because of the length of these plastic tabs. And then the skirt will come right down. Now we're going to take our trunk skirt and bring it back up. Now make sure you grab that latch cable. That's the release, the manual release for that latch. And each one, bring it over the latch, and then follow this insulation skirt right there. Make sure it goes over the trunk arm. It's got a little cutout, fits perfectly. Now we can get our push pins and start installing them. Line them up, push them right back in. Do the center one and then continue over. Cover protects that latch. You want it at that angle. Slide it right over and it will click right into place. Make sure the latch locks. Bring it down. Then try your remote and it releases. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.